Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy Mazo from Notablynancy YouTube channel. If you're subscribed, thanks for your support. If you're new, welcome to our online community. Please subscribe to my channel where you'll learn weekly tips and tricks to help you be the best online teacher you can be. Okay, let's get to it. Newsflash, newsflash, free. Everybody loves free. Okay, and I want to tell you today about a free masterclass where you can learn about how to use and grow your YouTube channel to help you to promote yourself, your coaching, your brand, to help others. Okay. Here's the news. Okay, this week I want to let you know about a free masterclass that's being offered. Okay, as you know, I have a YouTube channel where I share top tips, tricks, takeaways from my over 40 years as a teacher, specifically for online teachers. Okay, so a little bit about my journey. I knew that I had content that I wanted to share with other teachers. Okay, from my experience to help other teachers be the best that they could be. But really, I did not know how to get from point A to point B. Okay, in the brick and mortar schools, I am a mentor of new teachers, but I wanted to have a way to share my online teaching experience and tips from it online, and really I didn't know how. Okay, I'm going to date myself, but this is important. Remember, I started teaching when we made copies using the Ditto machine. Does anyone even know what that is? Okay, so I'm saying, before I even get started telling you about this master course, that if I could master the technology, you can master the technology, okay? Because I really started out from ground zero, as in I knew there were YouTube videos. I had no idea really how to make them, how to get started, but my motivation was that I wanted to share my information. Okay, so what is this course about? This course teaches you how to set up your own YouTube channel to use affiliate marketing, coaching, to bring your career and brand to the next level. In other words, I've been teaching online ESL English for 4 years. Hard to believe. Love it, okay? But there are only a certain number of hours in a day that I can teach, and I really wanted to build my business and my brand to beyond, and you can too. So what I'm suggesting is that you sign up for the free masterclass. There are 4 free masterclasses starting at the end of this week, and see what would be a good time for you. I'd really like you to invest the 30 to 45 minutes of your time to see if this course would be a good fit for you. Okay, dates and times for the 4 classes are listed below in my description box, as well as the link to sign up for it. Okay, and I would say just do it. Invest in yourself. Take the time to really find out about this course, because I'm telling you, for me, it was a total game changer. Very well organized, very simple to follow. Find out about it and see if this would be a good fit for you. Okay, I'm signing off now. Goodbye. Happy teaching. Click the link and get started. See you next week. Bye.